everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a slightly different video today. As you may or may not know, because your life does not revolve around me, I made it into the NYX Professional Makeup Face Awards for 2018. I made it into their top 20 as a finalist, so I am going to be showing you this lovely box of goodies that have been sent. I haven't actually opened the box, as you can see, because I wanted to open it in front of the camera and show my live kind of reactions. It would be handy if I had something to open it with. Let me go and find a penknife. Okay, I found some scissors. Yeah. So are we ready? Yes? Okay. Oh my god, this is huge. I actually didn't think the hot box was going to be the size of the actual outer box, but it is. Okay, what does it say? Congratulations, Rupinder, you're in the top 20! Although that does look like 26, but we'll forgive them. And it comes with a little pink bow. Yay! Now, maybe I should have taken the box out of the box. Should we do that first? Yes, let me do that. Oh no, I should have done that before I unwrapped it. Okay, let me wrap it back up again. No harm done. This is as if I never unraveled it. Oh my god, it's heavy. Here it is, in its full glory. Bubble wrap. Yeah. Tissue paper. Oh! Congratulations, you're in the top 20. We are so excited to have you as part of the NYX Professional Makeup UK and Ireland Face Awards 2018. Thank you so much for your amazing entry video and a huge congratulations on making it through to the top 20. We can't wait to follow your journey through the competition. So the theme for the next round is Animal Kingdom Glam. You may have already seen this on their Instagram page. So we hope you love all the products we have sent you to help you create your next look. There is a ridiculous amount of makeup in here. Right, let me give you an idea of what's in here. Look at all of that. Okay, let's start with the first product, and it is their, oh, I didn't know they did a cream palette. So it's the Highlight and Contour cream palette. Cream highlight and contour palette. Very exciting, thank you very much. Got some lashes, lots of lashes. Ooh, oh my god. Oh my, okay. Yes, loads of lashes. Ooh, I like these ones. These are called Overdone. Lay them on me, or lay them on me. Oh, I like them. I think they would look really good as lower lashes. These are nice. Popular. They're nice everyday glam lash. What we got here? Exposed. Also like these. Yeah. Oh, these are very similar to the ones I'm wearing today. Doe Eye. I'm a big fan of lashes like this, which are more tapered towards the ends and fluffier in the middle. So very nice, thank you. And oh, these are the most dramatic out of them all. These are called Drama Queen, and these are pretty big and exaggerated and not natural in the slightest. I'm just going to leave these all here in a very organised fashion. And oh, hair care. Hairspray. Back combing finishing spray by Redken. Quick Tease 15-minute hairspray. Should we try it? Smells nice. Smells like being on holiday. Reminds me of holiday. Yes, that feels nice and rough. Right. Another Redken hair product. This is the Shine Flash O2 Glistening Mist. Very nice. Should we try that out too? Ooh, that smells so nice. These products remind me of being on holiday. Thank you. Right, in there. What we got here? Oh, Total Drop foundations. I've been meaning to try this. I've heard very good things, so I'm very excited. Okay, so it looks like I have all the foundations here. This is amazing. I cannot believe I've got all the foundations in here. What is this colour? Hello. Medium olive. That sounds promising. This. I didn't know they did a primer in this range. A primer, thank you. Mahogany, which is that colour there. Right, so I have every colour of foundation you could possibly need. Some wipes, thank you very much. I currently don't have any wipes because I always forget to buy some, so very good, thank you. And oh, brushes! Why didn't I see them at first? Brushes! Every time I walk past a NYX professional makeup counter, I always look at the brushes and think to myself, I really want them because they look so good. The quality looks amazing. So I am so excited. Another one. Another one. Is this like all their brushes? Fan brush! I've not got a fan brush, and I really wanted one. A very nice like angled liner brush. That's nice and stiff. I feel like that's going to be a very good art detailing brush, which is number 11. So it's got a thin it's a thin pointed brush. Got number 16, which looks like a fluffy blending brush. Lovely, feels very nice. They're all so soft. I'm not going to put that back on because it won't go back in. It's a nice fluffy blending brush. Oh, what is this? Is it a contour brush? I don't know. Number 5. I'm assuming, oh yes, I think it's a contour brush. Yes, I think that would work very nicely. That's number 5. Okay, let's put these here. Oh my god, what are these? Cream colours. SFX cream colour, face and body paints. Yes, yellow. Is this called yellow? Yellow. Got silver here. And we have the colour purple. Again, another body paint. Nice. God, there's so many of these. I didn't know they did so many face paints. Green we've got here. Oh, I like this colour. Fuchsia. I thought it was a fuchsia colour. We've got orange. Oh, that is a bright orange. Look at that. That is gorgeous. That is beautiful. Wow. Okay, so that looks very pigmented. Nice. That was one tiny little swipe. Loose setting powder. Very nice. It's just white, but I'm hoping that's translucent. Okay, so what's next? The Epic ink liner. I actually have one of these and they are very good. Ooh, these look gorgeous. They are, they are pastel colours. They're called the faux whites. For inner eye brightness, we've got, what colour is this? So we've got white smoke. And it is a, ooh, that is creamy. Right, that is a lovely creamy lavender, like light lavender shade there. That is really creamy. I didn't expect that. This looks nice. Vanilla. Let me in, please. There we go. Ooh, that's a really soft yellow. That's nice. I was expecting it to be brighter for some reason because it looked kind of bright in the nib, but it's not. It's lovely and soft, like a nice nude. That's the vanilla shade. Oh, I'm excited to try these. Those were the inner eye brighteners. They look lovely, so I'm going to put these over here. Very annoyingly, my camera stopped recording and it did not tell me. It didn't actually film any of me going through the Vivid Brights pots, which are all over here now. The colours are as follows. So we've got a nice blue here. We've got, it's called Blueprint. And I did swatch this, which I'm going to swatch again. It's already opened. As you can see, and I was using one of my new brushes. I used the shader brush and this was such a gorgeous shade. It literally is so pigmented. I'm very, very, very excited to use this in my next look. That was Blueprint. This one was Aqua Sapphire, gorgeous minty kind of green. Sugar Rush, a nice purple there, purple kind of lavender. It looks nice. This is actually a gold, which is called Light Show. Got Get Money, which is a darker green. Let's swatch this one again because Sugar Rush was so stunning. And I literally dipped in the smallest amount on my brush and the pigment is insane. It is so pretty. I love that colour too. Love that pastel, it's gorgeous. There you go, they are the Vivid Brights. So I'm going to take out these, which I think are brow pencils. Again, I think I have all of the brow pencils, which is just insane. I actually genuinely cannot believe they've sent us the whole range of so many different products. I'm just so grateful. So yes, these look like brow pencils. Yeah, micro brow pencil. So they've come with a spoolie on one side and the actual brow pencil on the other. And I've heard really good things about these. I've not used them myself, but I've heard amazing things, so very excited to use these. Okay, so what do we do next? We have a range of lip products from what I can see in here. So I have all of these metallic lippies. So these are the soft matte metallic lip creams. So this colour, for example, is Madrid, Gorgeous Berry. This also looks really nice, this colour. What is this? Milan. That looks beautiful. And I wonder I wonder if they're like a sheeny metallic, or they're like a proper metallic. I'll have a look in a second. I really like the look of that colour. What is that? Copenhagen. We've got a bright purple. This is gorgeous. Havana. La Havana. That one. Got Soul. I think that is spelled S-E-O-U-L. That's Soul, isn't it? That's a lovely purple there. I'm just going to swatch Copenhagen. So they come with an applicator like so. Very easy to use. Oh, that is very pretty. That is really nice. And as you can see, as I suspected, it's not a very metallic. It's almost like got a nice sheen to it. That is gorgeous. Really like that colour. So actually, the rest of these are not all lippies. We've actually got some lipsticks, which are the Slip Tease lippies. And these are a full colour lip oil. Oh, nice. I wonder if that means they are sheer actually in colour. But this one is called Koi. Oh, that is very creamy and that feels really nice. And we have Vacation, which is a very bright pink. All these colours are gorgeous. I would wear all of these colours, I think. Definitely. Really like. Let me see what our red looks like. Oh, now that is really pigmented. That is not patchy in the slightest. That is gorgeous. And I don't think, judging from that one, it hasn't completely dried down. So that is just a really nice, comfortable lip formula, I think. So they are the Slip Tease lippies. So these are lid lingeries. So these are eye tints. So obviously, I'm assuming you put them on your eye and they'll be nice. Either you can use them by themselves as eyeshadows, you can blend them out, or you can use them as a base for eyeshadows, which I'm assuming you can. This green is calling my name. It's called Oh So Fine, and it's like a dirty army green kind of colour. It comes with a applicator which is kind of slanted, makes it easier to apply, I guess, the angle. And again, very pigmented, and it looks very easily blendable. So you can obviously put the eyeshadow, the colour on, and then you can blend it out, and that looks really easy to blend out. I'll see if that dries down, and in the meantime I'll go through the rest of the colours. Checkmate, lovely warm brown, and there's Revel, again a good nude base there. A-line, which is a deep a reddy brown, and we have Iconic, again good neutral base there. So I wonder, yes, so it has dried down, so it looks like it does give you enough time to blend the product out, and then once it's blended it will set and dry down, which is great. So they're very exciting. Okay. Right, so we've got a few final products in here. We have this. So this is a pigment primer, a base, a primer for your lids, I guess. So yes, judging by the eyes. It looks like an eyeshadow primer, which is great. And we have a, oh, they're worth the hype mascara. It's a volumizing and lengthening mascara. Great, thank you. So the last thing I can see in the box are a bunch of glitters and pigments. Ooh, what is this? A shimmer down pigment. This is number 1, Rose Violet. That looks really pretty. One here called Walnut, number 6. Oh, that looks really pretty. Like a cool, does it have gold reflex in there? No, silver. That looks like a cool toned shimmer. And we have this one called Almond. Ah, that's beautiful. Brownie gold shimmer reflex in there. Let's swatch one of these. Let's swatch this one. So I guess you can just shake it out. Oh my god, that is stunning. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. It's like almost snake skinny. That is really fine as well. That is really beautiful. Right, and so lastly, but not leastly, we have some glitters. So we have lots of little glitter pots. Let's move this box out of the way. So we have bronze. Oh, that looks gorgeous. I kind of gravitate towards the bronzes and the golds. We've got rose glitter. We've got copper. Oh, that looks beautiful. There they are. Right, and I almost forgot about this box. Right. Oh my god! Eyeshadow! Perfect filter shadow palette. Eyeshadows. Marine layer eyeshadows. Another eyeshadow palette. A really nice like nude, cool tones there. That green looks lovely. We have the Ultimate Brights palette. I have this palette, it's amazing. I've created a few looks with it already. I'm very excited to use it again. So highly recommend. Okay, we've got another perfect filter palette. Oh, look at that gold. What's this one called? Olive You. We have another eyeshadow palette. Oh, I like this colour. This is a really nice warm brown. And lastly, we have Golden Hour. Again, beautiful shimmers and mattes. Lovely set of neutrals there. We have, oh, highlighting palette. Born to Glow. Wow, these colours look stunning. I'm gravitating towards this colour and maybe this for my skin tone. Maybe that one too. They look beautiful. What are these? So 3 steps to sculpt. So powder, highlight, contour and shimmer highlight packs. And lastly, illuminating. So these are the duochromatic illuminating powders. Crushed Bloom is that one. This one is Synthetica, more of a copper shade. And we have, lastly, we have this one, Snow Rose. So that was everything in the box. More than I ever expected to receive. Thank you so much to NYX Professional Makeup for sending me all of these. It's a crazy number of products and I'm so now excited to play around with these and decide what products I'm going to use in my next look. Anyway, so I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.